We'll guide you through how to use bike or cycling mode in Google Maps. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. Here we are on Google Maps, and so you want to go and use cycling or bike mode. This is really convenient to do, as you can then go and get the directions for when you're riding a bike. Make sure it is full guide and don't go and skip anything, as you may go and miss an important part. So what we need to do here is you need to go and press on the navigation or directions button in the bottom right. Now what you can do here is you can come to the top and you need to go and choose where you're starting from. So I could go and type in somewhere, for example, like so. And then what you can do is go and choose the destination. So I could go and type in another place. I've got a recent one I could use. And then it's going to go and by default, most likely use a car. But you can go and scroll along here and find the little bike icon with a person on it, and you can tap on it, and it's then going to go and give you the ride. And what you can do is go and press preview, and if you're actually there, you can then go and start it.